Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kitika Arya. So I'm back with another video. So I love design as well as functionality, and बहुत times I was searching an elevator that should be functional, that should beautifully fit into a space, and the most important, it should have all the advanced features and it should be very safe. As technology is redefining the way we are climbing the floors, so home elevators are the most effective way for any residential space. So guys, कल मैं गुड़गांव जाने वाली हूँ and I am going to give the review of Nibab 4 series elevators. I think बहुत ही ज़्यादा promising elevators हैं and सारे के सारे जो boxes हैं वो टिक करते हैं. आगे जो review है वो मैं कल देने वाली हूँ, कल मैं सारे features दिखाने वाली हूँ. So I am super excited. Now let's dive into the video. So I have reached here. Now let's go to their experience center to introduce you to the revolutionary Nibab Series 4, the world's safest home elevator with features that are bound to blow your mind. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the smooth ride. The Nibab Series 4 is the world's safest air-driven elevator, ensuring a ride so seamless you will forget you are moving. And with an increased payload capacity, it's stronger and more capable than ever. Experience the future of elevator technology with better suspension 2.0 and brakes 3.0. And such upgradation had not just made the ride very safe and secure, its lighter and stronger design guarantees longevity and reliability. Nibab Series 4 features the world's only elevator motor with a lifetime warranty, Meet Motor 2.0. Combined with fuse locking technology and isolation pads, the ride is extremely quiet and vibration free, providing the utmost comfort. And in homes, the silence is extremely important. So let's talk about their feature Quiet 3.0, that is the world's quietest air-driven elevator. Thanks to the hybrid shaft and advanced noise cancelling technology, your ride is peaceful and silent. The world's only elevator with a lifetime warranty on the carbon seal, Nibab Series 4 combines durability with innovation. It also features an electric motor that ensures immediate assistance and user control at all times. With programmable auto return and factory-made support, brackets that match the lift color, Nibab Series 4 is designed for both functionality and style. And they also have the support of phone, and such kind of smart on-site support make maintaining your Nibab Series 4 easier than ever. Plus, the cabin door detection system ensures complete safety. Safety is extremely paramount with 5 layers of safety features and stationary GSM. This kind of safety features make this elevator totally safe for your home so that your kids, your parents, everyone can ride without any stress. The curved designer profile and polycarbonate unbreakable body add a touch of elegance and durability to your home. With the most powerful processor on an elevator and a wireless cabin, the Nibab Series 4 is at the forefront of smart home technology. It's also the world's only home elevator with LiDAR 2.0 technology and VAF drive technology. Control your elevator with the first app-controlled elevator, guys. It's digital twin. The Nibab Series 4 also boasts the world's first automatic lift SOS and the first home elevator with a landing display and AI-enabled cabin display. So you can easily control the lights, the color of the lights, and the ambience through this display of your lift. The interior design is unmatched. The ceiling wrapped in leather, a dark theme, carbonic matte shaft, and door handles wrapped in black leather or smoked chrome. The external glass is smoked and the lighting features starlight with the shooting star. In summary, Nibab Series 4 is more than just an elevator. It's a blend of elegance, technology, and innovation. So upgrade your home with the world's most advanced air-driven elevator technology.
So what do you suggest? किस type के spaces में हम इस lift को use कर सकते हैं?
This lift requires a very less space to get installed. So mostly हम existing houses under construction जो final stage में होते हैं construction के कहीं भी इसको बहुत easily install कर सकते हैं, but because it requires minimal to zero civil work. So normally इसके लिए कोई भी pit की requirement नहीं होती. There is no requirement of any machine room at the top, and कोई भी shaft या wall column as such कोई supporting structure की कोई requirement. This comes with a 100% self-supported structure. So wherever we find a suitable space, it requires just 39 inches of diameter space. This is the compact.
Only 39 inches.
Yes,
and what about civil work?
Minimal to zero civil work. So normally if we find a space like between the stairs or if we get an open shaft, तो वहाँ पे तो कोई civil work का requirement नहीं होता. We just have to make a landing. इवन अगर कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है, अगर हम कोई रूम से निकाल रहे हैं जहाँ पे ऊपर सीलिंग है, वहाँ पे भी बहुत इजीली कोर कट करके भी हम install
only
कर
the core
सकते हैं।
cutting
Only
is
the core cutting.
So guys, I hope you like this video and this amazing elevator that would fit into any space and would uplift it beautifully. Agar you want to buy or you want to know about the details, installation karana chahte ho, then all the details are mentioned in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.